Good evening, y'all. Rock out here. Wanted to do a little more in-depth review on this Multipick triple gauge set that I have. Just got it like a week or so, give or take. I've been playing with it quite a bit and very much enjoying it. I thought we would try and pick a few locks, maybe rake a few locks, kind of just go over a little bit more. I did first impressions on my unboxing video, but I said I've had these in my hand quite a bit this week and kind of wanted to do a little more in depth than the first impressions. This is my first set of Multipick picks and very impressed. I have been using mostly Southern Specialties and Multipick, and I gotta tell you, I think these are my two favorites at the time. I have some Sparrows, I have Covert Instruments, love Covert Instruments. Sparrows, some of their stuff I like, some of their stuff I'm not the biggest fan of, but obviously, I mean, I use their pinning mat constantly. It's in all my videos, and that's where I do all my work. Repinning stuff and gutting stuff, everything. I have their Sparrows Dark Shift set, like it. But I think at this juncture in time, I have to say the Multipick and Southern Specialties are my go-tos. The fit, finish, profiles, absolutely enjoying this set. There we go. We're gonna do an Abus 7240, then maybe rake a couple, and I'll show you the set again and kind of talk about. Absolutely love the leather case, very high quality. Comes with a ton of tension tools in it. I didn't have them in there because I was playing with them all so much earlier. I'll show them though. I don't know the conversion with millimeters to thousandths, which is what I'm used to. So not really sure where they all stand. The tension tools, everything is in millimeters, so I said in my unboxing video I needed to figure out what those were, and admittedly have not. So there we go. Sometimes that lock opens, that 7240 opens very, very easily, and sometimes it gives you some trouble. I don't know. Love those Abus 7240s though. Alright. Rake a couple. This set comes with one rake profile in each of the three thicknesses. So just play here for a minute and see. I am very new with raking, so much more comfortable with the single pin picking. But there's one. Let's do this Brinks. There we go. Do this kind of no-name made in China thing. I bought a bunch of lower security locks to practice raking with. we go. And let's rake this sexy brass Wilson bow handle lock. This one doesn't usually give me too much trouble. And she's going to be camera shy tonight. Oh. Well, core turned. I don't know what's just going. What? There we go. Okay, we were open. I don't know what's going on with that right now. Okay. Give me a second here. Sorry for my rambling. Okay. Multipick triple gauge. Comes the same 5 profiles in 3 different thicknesses. I typically use 20 for everything. I've been using these ones the most. They are 6mm, 5mm, and that doesn't say. That's odd. Okay, yeah, this doesn't have millimeters on it. So if anybody in the comments knows what that thickness would be and the conversion for millimeters to thousandths and stuff that I'm used to, each one of them has, each of the thicknesses has these 2 deepers, a rake, this kind of medium with a little swoop in it there, kind of like a high reach, almost medium though, flat, and then these roundeds. That is one thing I'm getting used to with these. I like a short flat hook for 90% of my picking, so getting used to the rounded ones. I don't use rounded ones very often, so I am kind of, the pins feel different and stuff like that, but I am enjoying the set very, very much. It's a beautiful leather case. Like it. There, all these extra tension wrenches that I'm gonna put in frame here. I said I had these out because I was playing with a bunch of stuff earlier. So it's just all different thicknesses, and top of keyway, longer. These are all in there as well. So they were over in here. Not really sure about this guy. I haven't used it. 1.4mm. Some kind of bottom of the keyway, I would imagine, but I haven't used it for anything yet. Unless I'm raking, basically never use bottom of the keyway, but it did come with these top of the keyways, again in 3 different thicknesses. These bottom of the keyways, 3 different thicknesses. Everything, hopefully you guys can see, everything is etched and marked very, very nice. All of these have Multipick, have the thicknesses there. Again, I don't know the conversion for millimeters to thousandths, which is what I'm used to. The fit, finish, just, I'm partial to these kind of handles. I make some picks with custom wooden handles and stuff like that, but I like the sandwiched three layer sandwiched handles. It's just what I prefer. So these ones are excellent. I don't know, that's about it. I don't want to ramble too much. very much enjoying this. Like I said, the customer service was amazing. The quality seems really good. I've used these and these a ton this week. Played with these a little bit, but they are thinner than I really need for anything, so I haven't really used them too much. Really curious how thick they are with it not having the millimeter stamped on it like those other ones do. But you can see they are pretty thin, pretty flimsy. Get into some paracentric keyways. I'd have no problem using those. I'm pretty light-handed. And then the 0.5s, I think, are right around like a 20 thousandths, which is my go-to size anyway. I don't get real great feedback with 25s, and I do have some Jimmy Longs, which are 19s, right around that 20,000, like I said, that I like a lot. And then these are the 0.6 millimeter, and I believe they're up around the 25 thousandths. So I said I don't typically use them too much, but I have used them quite a bit this week. Just kind of really getting used to these things, hands-on and stuff. So, all right, that's about all I have for you guys. Just wanted to go over these a little bit more. Multipick triple gauge, the 3 thicknesses, 5 profiles in each thickness, and a ton of turning tools. I will put a link to it in the description of the video, and check them out. Fantastic, no regrets. Like I said, these and Southern Specialties are probably my absolute go-tos right now after using these for a week or so, and I've been hammering on Southern Specialties and digging them. So check these guys out, Multipick. I will leave a link in the description, and that's it. Not sponsored or anything, just like the tools. So appreciate you guys watching. Check it out. If you haven't checked out my 250 subscriber giveaway, check that out. It's going on right now, and I'm going to give out some awesome prizes, and then I have a little something else I'm planning moving forward. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share, check it out. Appreciate every single person. Appreciate your time, and thanks for watching. Have a good night.